Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this iRoomba J6. So here I've got the Roomba app opened up. So you're going to scroll down here. We've got settings, product settings right here. So once you click on the product settings, if you do the reboot, that's if you're having problems. It still keeps it all connected, everything's connected. But if you want to disconnect this from your account, you're going to go to About Roomba J6 up here at the top. We want to scroll down, remove device from account. This is a factory reset. You can save the maps during the factory reset or not. You can swipe this on or off. Once you've got figured out whether you want to save the maps or not, hit the factory reset button. Be sure and check out my coffee. I just released Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's a dark Brazilian roast. It's in the K-Cup form, whole bean, and the already ground coffee. You can buy it at justadadcoffee.com. Recently, YouTube presented me with a plaque for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody, for your support. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there. And you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Here's today's free giveaway. It's a Keurig K Express. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Underneath the video, if you could give a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. I really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.